Good, bro. We're back at it again. All right. As you see, the light behind me. I'm a failure, right? Is that what we're gonna say? We're gonna call me a failure. All right. That's mean and disrespectful. I'm not a failure. All right. Now look, I woke up at 7 on the dot. I was supposed to wake up at 6:30. Yesterday in the gym, if you watch my video, you already know I couldn't get to the machines I wanted to. I was pissed off, and I think it's because 5:30. I honestly don't understand. I guess until I started recording my workout in full on my camera, I didn't realize that I wasn't being able to get to my machines. I would be waiting, and then I'd wait too long, and it's like, bro, if I'm trying to make a video for y'all, if I'm trying to pump out the content, I need my machines boom, 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 boom. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna wake up at 6:30. I'm gonna go in at 7, and I'm gonna see what I can do then. But guess what time it is? 7:24. And then I just say I wanted to wake up at 6:30. So yeah, I am a failure. I am a failure. All right? You can say it. You can say it. All right. Now look, we're back at it again, bro. It's day 2. It's episode 2, 5 weeks out from the comp. And you know what I'm trying to give you. I'm trying to give you a free game. I've been saying it all along. All right? Yesterday you got the back. Today you got the shoulder. Always remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. You sitting at home, you watching this video right now. Get up, get in the gym, man. All right? I gave you the back yesterday. I'm giving you the shoulders today. You getting these workouts for free, my boy. Go ahead and load up the video. Get on the machine and start pumping that iron, you feel me? Because that's all it is, man. That's all I'm trying to tell you. It's free game. It's free game for real. Come on in, workout partner. All right.
Hi.
You already know what it is. Day 2. You know, she consistent. Why not you? Let's go, man. So basically, yesterday when I left the gym, it was around like 7:10, and that was when it started to be dead. But I can't lie, there's cars in the parking lot, but sometimes when I go in the gym, it be cars in the parking lot, but it's really like 6 people, you know? It's like there's like 7 cars in here and there's 7 people in here.
It's
So
less than yesterday.
I'm not tripping. Yeah, she says it's less than yesterday, so
That's that guy trying to.
alright, there we go. We love it. Y'all could barely hear me yesterday, so I got some mics on the way. I'm gonna get like, you know, like individual mics, but yeah, that's really it. So you could barely hear me yesterday. I'm using the same mic on top of my camera right now, so you're gonna barely hear me today. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try to like speak louder and be up for real, especially if there's less people in the gym and if they turn down that music, bro. Like the rock is like, nah! Like it's so loud, bro. Like who needs to hear that? Not me. I promise you that, not me. But yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, and you know, I'm gonna get at y'all, bro. But let's go get this workout in, bro. It's that time. It's shoulder day, bro. It's time to build some boulders. Let's go. Bro, my shoulders got mad tight, so I'm about to show y'all some stretches now, because I got to stretch. I'm cooked. I'm going to put the band under my foot, bring it up, put it over. I don't touch my chest. I'm talking about chest, right? Put our hand in the let it sit. Just let it cry right now. Ouch, my shorts got OD tight. Boy, the light bar. I use shit to it. So he's I had to do it like that. Separate these channel, so like also tight and big. Yeah, I never go heavy on myself like that. I ain't trying to get hurt. We're just trying to get it look good. Alright, now we're going to do seated lateral raises. Stay with me. Stay with me. My shoulders are dead, so it might look weak. It's 115. I'm over the salt. Straight up, bro. Straight up, bro. When we get this posing session in, it's gonna look pretty. I feel these things right here. They juice, bro. I feel. That's the death of many men. Not me, though. Not me.
I'm a little dehydrated. I don't mind that taking a
It's time to check out the games, man. Let's get it. Oh. See my shoulders in that?
Yeah.
But
And then do it turned around.
yeah.
Yeah. No, you look really good.
Thank you. See ya. Need another eventful shoulder day, bro. I'm obviously keep practicing my routine because I can't get it without being choppy. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to get it flowing, get it smooth. But I got 5 weeks, but that's gonna fly by. I'm already knowing. We've already talked about this though. 5 weeks, 5 days a week, you're getting workouts. And you're getting videos 7 days a week. I mean, it's a great bargain, bro. Go ahead and buy in. Buy stock now. We're gonna see if in 5 weeks we can bring some home. You know, last comp obviously didn't go as I wanted. Still got 3 medals in 3 categories. But we want that gold. We want to win that pro card, man. Not a lot of cons when you're playing with the pros, bro. Let's see how it goes. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Let's get it. Ah!